Phil-Oil Arena San Juan. This one is SUS versus Petrogas. And I will support SUS team. Wala pa silang talo because of Spiker ang kanilang import, si De Beer. Let's go! Ganito sila bago magsimula ang game. Nag-warm up. This one is De Beer, the import. Ayan, napakagaling ng babae niya.